Alright guys, so update on the closet room. Still a shit show. It is definitely still a mess. It is what it is. Just been very busy that I just don't have the time to like organize the closet here, and Jessica keeps washing clothes and there's just more and more stuff and I keep purchasing. Next thing you know, it just adds up. I can't find my razor blade. Where is this damn razor blade at? Alright, got the razor blade. Alright, let me move some of this stuff out of the way. Do a quick unboxing for you guys. See what we got here. Okay. Let's take a look. Woo! Got the Gucci shoes. Yeah, this thing looks pretty sick. These are the ones I actually wanted right here. See what else we got? Like a kid in the candy store. Here we go. Look at these ones right here. Woo. It's funny, they make them all dirty. It's crazy, but I guess that's the style, right? Make it all dirty. But I'll eventually clean these up though. Look at that. Blue ones. I gotta hurry up because, damn, my stomach is bubbling. This is my sriracha sauce. Look at that. Pretty sick, right? Man, this one really dirty. Damn, they really make it dirty. Guys, I'm gonna have to hurry up with this video because I gotta take it for real. Oh, these ones are sick, dude. The green ones. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Woo. I know, let me know in the comments below which one you guys like the best. I mean, I like them all, so definitely has to go with the outfit. I've got a couple more right here. We gotta do some unboxings, but we'll wait later on for that. So
this year is the first year that my income has dropped pretty dramatically. And since I've been doing this now for 14 years, every year my income has like progressed always. And this is the first year haven't progressed. And it's not about the kind of money that I'm making, right? Because I don't care about the money. The money is just kind of the point system. It just shows how much you have progressed in your business, and it's all a game. And right now, it's kind of tough because I feel like I'm just constantly losing the game, but it's just hard, basically. I guess the good news, if I look back, 10 years, where I'm at today versus 10 years ago, 15 years ago. And 15 years ago, I never thought I would be in a position that I am in today. As an entrepreneur, right, nothing stimulates you more than consistent growth as a person. Maybe it's just I'm sick in my head and I have no clue. But anyway, just wanted to share that with you because that's what this vlog is really about. It's about real life. I'm just a regular average person, just trying to work hard and stay focused. But, sometimes it's hard. I mean, it is what it is, So, but we have to push through it. And, my faith has gone pretty strong, So it is what it is. All right. Have a good night, guys.
good morning. What's up, John? How's everything going? Good. All right, guys. So today I'm out here in the northwest, just right off a little mountain. We just recently picked up this listing. You ready to go inside, Yorke?
Yeah, we're good. I already got it.
You do?
Yorke, I'm gonna land this right on your hand. Catch it. Just kidding.
I mean, you could, right? Or no? So John is our video photographer here, and he's just doing the drone shots right now. But anyway, we just got a brand new listing here, and it took us probably about like 2 weeks to get this property ready on the market. The asking price on here is I think $1,585,000 we're starting off at. Oh man, we still gotta, dude, Yorke, did we take pictures with those things there, dude? Huh? All right, so we had photos done yesterday, but we have this right here in front of the house.
I'll give you $1.2 million for it.
You can go off.
How much is it?
1.6. That's
got 1.2 proof of funds right now, dude.
Hey, you know what's crazy? This right here,
Yeah.
never been used, completely brand new.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dude.
They spent over 120,000. It's never been used, dude. It's brand new.
What? Even the little. This whole thing was.
The whole backyard.
Dude, this is nice. This is really nice.
Okay, so on this project here, when we came here, we
You're
took.
recording?
Yeah. So here's the thing. What we did was when we came here, all this stuff was all dark. Okay. First thing we had to do is evaluate the comps to see what's going on. We had to paint everything, so that cost us about $8 grand. We also had to clean everything as well, and also with all the lights, it was soft white, so we had to change all the lights. That was like $500 just for the light bulbs alone to change it to daylight, and then we had the schedule for the cleaners, the photographer. Now what we're doing is we're getting ready to do our video tour. After that, once that is done, uploaded and ready to go, I'll have to call the photographer back out here again to take the pictures in front of the home because of those bricks. I don't like that. And once we get the QR code, we'll create the marketing package and we're gonna send it out to the neighborhood and the surrounding areas. So the home is roughly about 6,000 square feet. Okay, does have an RV parking. I think it's got like 5 bedrooms and stuff like that. I mean, this thing is like ready to go. This is a gated community called Residency, okay? And it's just one neighborhood, and you have about 30 homes here. So the neighborhood is really good because all the neighbors, they all know each other and they literally look out for each other. But let me just show you the backyard real quick because I think this is pretty cool. Man, what a difference in the daylight. Also, I do want to give what credit's credit due. And I didn't want to spend the money on it, but Yorke was like, hey, I think we should do the lights. And he made a good point. We definitely did the lights, but look how gorgeous this pool is.
Yorke is getting in trouble. I got this. I got the right thing for this. I got the right thing. Chakits, I got the right thing to lighten the mood.
What? What am I doing? Yeah, I'm on YouTube right now.
I got some music to lighten the mood for us. Oh crap, is it a four-car garage?
Yeah.
That's dope. I thought this was only a
2-car.
So there's a downstairs bathroom, the pathway.
Same thing?
What's weird was this garage never had it. It's-
We need to let Marty know. I tried to call him so that way we could turn on that water feature, but I don't know how to turn it on.
I told him last night, told him yesterday,
Did he turn?
we're gonna be here at 10 in the morning.
Did he turn it on or no?
No,
No, I'm talking about when you guys did the photo shoot.
I totally forgot about it.
Okay.
We had a water problem.
What?
I thought it was a single for some reason. I like it.
You try to help me sell it?
I just wish that it wasn't so dang close to the.
You have the battery, bro.
Oh yeah, you know what? It's in my bag. I mean, look how large this is. You could literally put an RV right there
Yeah, you could.
if you wanted to. Oh yeah, 2, 4, 5. It has a 5-car garage. All right, so the only thing we got to do right now is change out the batteries. All the lights are on, and we just got to get connected. Then we're ready to go. We'll start this video home tour here. So. Yeah, when you take the pictures.
Because it just looks like.
Oh, Yorke.
There, did you hear it?
I heard it, but I don't know if it's coming from there.
Oh.
I did give you credit on this one though.
Yeah,
With the lights, I didn't want to spend the money, but I think now we're gonna start
But
with.
it was like 3 different shades.
Yeah, no, you made a good call. You ready?
Intercepted.
Oh, let's see if you know how to change it.
My dog.
Well, it should be red though, but
Yeah. The one that's out will probably be red.
yeah.
So that one's good, but it'll beep from.
Yorke, I like those shoes, dude.
Oh yeah, you have to set it.
Oh, I
in,
really
bro.
like those shoes, actually.
Yeah, they're actually pretty clean.
Yeah, they're pretty clean. Try and touch it on your tongue. See if it gives you a shot.
You know you gotta check it.
Oh!
Now hit it.
Oh!
It has to connect. Push it and let it go. I think that's it. It's not flashing anymore, right?
It's green too.
Okay, perfect. That's it.
He's only seeing that part of the glass because
again, we talked about this. This is great for guests, right? Upstairs. Before we get into the suite, what we have here is a plus it's pretty deep. It's about 4 by 3, bigger than my primary bedroom. Now, where does the headboard go? We added a colored wall, but this is actually a upgrade for nighttime. You see, now we want to go ahead and have a TV. All of your TV components will all go right here. Okay? And believe it or not, because the back of this house is facing west. The sun is going to be setting on this side. What's nice about this is that the mountain side is add probably a nice mural. I would probably turn this into a shoe closet. So you have these kind of options of what you can do. Large as it is, I would probably have this section right here. This is where I would probably have. Remember how I talked about that closet? I knew you were thinking that closet was small. No. Let's go this way. Look at this. Look how large this is right here. Here we have a backyard.
And then now we just end it.
Also a den with 5 bathrooms with a 4-car garage. Don't forget that backyard now, okay? Let me know what your thoughts are about this property. I think that's perfect.
Yeah, it's good. Hey, Yorke, did you get water by any chance?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thanks.
Dude, truck is a slave driver, guys. You know? I feel like I'm in China right now, just making toys, you know? It's like that. Making PS5s for 2 cents an hour.
It's more than that, bro. They're not getting 2 cents an hour, dude. Let's get real.
5 cents.
I think they're getting more than that. All right, guys. So we got the razor blade. We got the zip tie. We're gonna get ready to hang that big old banner in the back of the house here. But the problem is that I need a screw to take this off. Did I say screw? No, we don't need a screw. What we need is a screwdriver. So I guess this is a learning lesson. I should get one of those military toolkits. You know how like it's like a handle that has like a bunch of like screwdrivers, knives, and all that stuff. What are they called? I'm not even too sure what they're called. Dang, I have nothing. Anything thin, Yorke? Do you have anything thin?
Where?
Oh yeah, that could work. All right, Yorke's got the penny, so we're gonna try it. There we go. Hey, what are those things called? It's like a little handle that has like the knives, the corkscrew, flathead. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, Swiss Army.
A Swiss Army? Is it called a utility? Don't forget to give me the receipt, okay? See, guys, this is what we're willing to do. Go above beyond. We do part-time cleaning. We do everything. All right, let's go. Gotta go upstairs. We're gonna hang this